Steve here from Blue Umbrella Waterproofing, coming to you from Union, New Jersey. We just finished another job. Full basement waterproofing with lateral drain. We have our primary pump, and we have a water backup pump as well. System runs all the way around the basement. Here we have the furnace condensate line going into the system. Full perimeter waterproofing. Our lateral drain here to catch water coming up from the middle that the homeowner had a problem with. In this job we utilize 4-inch triple wall ADS piping, primary sump pump, and water backup.